Did you know that AI can help you write amazing copy for your business? We're using AI in our everyday life. Yes, artificial intelligence. Have you ever said, "Alexa, play music"? That's a form of AI. But now you can use AI to write all kinds of content and copy that converts in half the time using this amazing app called conversion.ai, also known as Jarvis. I started using Jarvis about 3 months ago. I found it one afternoon when I was sitting out by the pool and started playing with it. And next thing I know, I'm reaching out to two of my friends who also own businesses, and they signed up for Jarvis. And the three of us spent the next couple of hours on Zoom playing on Jarvis, just having a fantastic time. And we were absolutely amazed at what the software could do. I started joking that I found Jarvis first, therefore he was my boyfriend. Hashtag best boyfriend ever. If you're new here, I'm Kirsten, and along with my business partner, Jeannie, we help our clients hire and train virtual assistants. We also help them with automation and leveraging technology like Jarvis. I don't know about you, but when I sit down to write an email or sales copy or a blog post, looking at that blank screen, my mind goes blank. So using a tool like Jarvis is a game changer. That's really important because in this day and age, we've all heard content is king, and our clients and their virtual assistants are really enjoying working with Jarvis. It's making it easier and faster and a lot more fun to get their content out on a regular basis. So let's jump in and talk about how Jarvis works and what it can do for you and your business. So let's start off by looking at templates. Jarvis offers amazing framework. They have the AIDA framework, and this stands for Attention, Interest, Desire, and Action. So it's a sales framework for writing great copy. They also have a PAS framework, which is Problem, Agitate, Solution. Again, a well-known marketing strategy and a great way to write marketing copy. I'm going to scroll on down, and I just want you to look at all of these things that Jarvis can do as far as writing content. First of all, it can improve your content. So if you've written a blog post or you've written something and you're just not quite feeling it, run it through Jarvis and it can improve it by making it more interesting, more creative, and more engaging. It can do things like blog post topic ideas and outlines. It can also help with conclusion paragraphs. So if you need great content for your website, Jarvis is a great way to help out with those blogs. Another thing that I really like is explain it to a child. This is a way to make the content really easy to understand. And I know it sounds silly, but they say if you want to make sales, if you want to write great sales copy, write as if you're speaking to a fifth grader. It can also help with Facebook ads. So whether you need headlines or primary text, it can do that. It can also help out with Google ads. It's great for finding headlines, and it can also help you out with website content. So one of the features that our virtual assistants really love is photo post captions. So this is a great way to help your virtual assistants write great content for all of your Instagram posts, whether it's a quote card or a video clip. Jarvis is great at helping to write those captions. One of the things we help our clients with is hiring a marketing virtual assistant. And this allows them to start a YouTube channel. And one of the awesome things about Jarvis is it has all kinds of great features for YouTube. Jarvis has video topic ideas, it has video script outlines, it has video titles, it can help you with your hooks and your description for YouTube. So if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel or you already have a YouTube channel, Jarvis will be absolutely a fantastic tool for you. It's also great for emails. So we have to write a lot of email campaigns and things like that. And Jarvis, again, can help out with writing those emails. No more staring at that blank screen. And of course, it's also great with SEO. So you can see it does SEO homepage titles and meta descriptions, SEO for blog posts with meta tag and descriptions. It can also help out with SEO for products, but it can also do amazing things like help out with real estate or Pinterest. If you're thinking about building Pinterest, it's great for titles and descriptions. It's also fun because it can come up with engaging questions. I don't know about you guys, but we're always trying to post on social media and get engagement. So as you can see, Jarvis can do a lot of really cool things. In the comments below, let me know what's the first thing that you would like to have Jarvis write for you. Another really cool feature about Jarvis is it has a way for you to set the tone. If you think about it, we all speak a little bit differently, and so they've taken that into consideration. And here are some of your choices. Casual, exciting, professional, witty, feminine. You can also pick a person. Would you like to sound like Gary Vee or Tony Robbins or Oprah? How cool is that? One of the first things I did was I had so much fun playing with one topic and having it written in different voices. So I'd love to find out what you think about that if you give it a try. So I want to share with you some of my favorite tips about Jarvis, and I will leave links in the description below. First of all, you can get a free 5-day trial. I highly recommend you start your trial when you have plenty of time to learn all about Jarvis, and it's very addictive, so you won't want to do anything else. The second thing is they have a fantastic Facebook group. So you want to join that Facebook group. The conversations are amazing and you will learn a great deal. The other thing is I want to recommend a YouTube channel. Elizabeth is a certified Jarvis expert, and her videos and her tutorials are amazing. So she can help you learn so many things, and I will link her channel below. I'll also add some other links in the description below that you may find helpful, but I'm excited for you and I'd love to hear what you think about Jarvis. I will see you in the next video.